I'm going to post 5 more exercises episodes of multiplication, so which are advanced exercises of multiplication on the abacus. And after these 5 episodes, after these exercises, you will going to be master on the abacus to do multiplication. Okay, so hope you learn all the techniques of multiplication on the abacus, all the rules of multiplications, and 2 series of multiplication exercises. First was 2 digits multiplied by 1 digit, and second series was 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits. And from today I am going to teach you 2 digits multiplied by 3 digits, or 3 digits multiplied by 3 digits, or 4 digits multiplied by 2 digits, more advanced exercises. Okay, so let's start. I hope you know addition on the abacus. Without that you can't do multiplication. If you don't know subtraction on the abacus, you can't do division. So to learn multiplication you have to know addition, and to learn division you have to know subtraction on the abacus. So hope you learn all that, and please come to this. And if you don't know anything about multiplication, please do not watch this episode. Okay, this is not for beginner. Multiplication is very vast, and if you want to learn abacus, you have to start from the beginner level exercises which are posted in my channel. So please go to my channel, check playlist in your language, because episodes are posted in 3 or 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi, and some episodes are in Japanese also. So please find your suitable episode, suitable language to learn abacus. And here I have to tell you, please do not comment on any language of mine, because I am not perfect enough. I have requested, that is why I am posting in 4 different languages. Okay, so let's start. Today first question is 37 multiplied to 8 6. So hope you know all the techniques, all the rules on the abacus to do multiplication. After that you have to do these advanced exercises. Okay, so let me explain. Normally we use this one, but these beads are very small, so very difficult to understand. So I'm going to use this big abacus, and normally this is my marked rod. This colored one is a marked rod, and this is thousands rod, but I don't have sufficient rods here, so I am going to use this edged rod, my marked rod. Okay, so do not confuse, this is edged rod is my marked rod, and I'm starting from this rod. So let's start. We have 5 digits in our question, so 1 2 3 4 5. We are starting from this 10,000 rod. So 3 2s are 6, so we have to put 0 in front of 6, because 6 is only 1 digit, so 0 6. Change your pointed rod. 3 8s are 24, 2 and 4. Change your rod. 3 6 are 18, 1 and 8. So to place the 1 here, you have to borrow this 5, reduce 4, and 8 goes to this rod. Okay, we finish 3. And next come to 7. So for 7 we have 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4 start from this thousands rod. Okay, 7 2s are 14, so 1 and 4. Change your pointed rod. 7 8s are 56, so 5 in this rod. You have to borrow from the next rod, because all the bits are moved here, and next rod also moved, means we have to borrow from this rod. So look here, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1000 rod here. So we are going to borrow 1000 to place 50 here. So this is how to borrow 1000 to place 50. Techniques on the abacus for addition and subtraction. So please check those episodes to learn in detail. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this 5 and all this one and borrow this one to place 50, and 6. For 6 I am going to apply 4-step addition and subtraction technique. So I am going to place this one, reduce this one, and borrow this 5 and reduce this 4, and change your rod. And 7 6 are 42, 4 and 2 to add 4 here, borrow this 5, reduce 1 and 2 here. And we came to this marked rod, means we finished, and your answer is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 10,000 rod 1, 1,000 rod 0, 100 rod 5, tens rod 8, and last ones rod is 2. And this is your answer. Next question. 42 multiply 4, 8 to 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits starting from this start. 4 fours are 1, 6, 16, change. 4 eights are 32, change. 4 twos are 8, 0 and 8. We finished 4. Next is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from this dot. 2 fours are 8, 0, 8. And we have only 7 here. You have to borrow from the next dot, but next dot also moved. So you have to borrow from this rod. Means you have to reduce this 2, all this one, and borrow this one to add 8 this rod. Okay, so change your finger. 2 8s are 16, 1, and for 6 you have to apply 3-step addition and subtraction. So add this one, reduce this one, and add this one. Okay, change, and 2 2s are 4, 0 and 4. Okay, and we finished. We came here, means finished. We have our answer on the abacus. And ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 10,000 rod 2, 1,000 rod 0, 100 rod 2, tens rod 4, and ones rod also 4. And this is your answer. Next question. 76 multiply 5 to, let's start 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are starting from this rod. 7 fives are 35, change. 7 twos are 1, 4, 14, change. 7 sevens are 4, 9. So you have to borrow this 5 to add 4, and all this rod 9. Okay, so we finished this 7. Next is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits starting from this rod. 6 fives are 30, so 3 and 0. You don't need to do anything for 0. Change. 6 twos are 12, 1 and 2 here, but all the bits are moved. So you have to borrow from here. So it's also moved from here. This also moved, and now finally you have to add from here. Okay. So we are adding 2 here, but this is tens rod, this is ones rod. We are adding 2, so tens rods also full, and 100 rods also full, and this is 1,000. Means to add 2 here, we are going to borrow this 1,000. Okay, you have to remove 8 first, and remove all these and add this one. Okay, and change your rod, and 6 sevens are 42. To add 4 here, you have to borrow this 5, reduce 1 and 2 here, change. We came to this marked rod, means finished, and our answer is 10,000 rod 4, 1,000 rod 0, 100 rod 0, tens rod 5, and ones rod 2. Okay, so please do these 3 questions by yourself. If you have problem, please comment to me. I will make a video only for you and post that. Okay, so if you like the video, please one like, share and subscribe, and you can follow me on Facebook page also to get notifications. Okay, so see you in the next episode. Tata.